Meanwhile, water wars between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka have resumed once again, this time over the construction of a dam across Kaveri River near Makkedatu. Now, in his letter to the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, Chief Minister of Karnataka has called for bilateral talks to resolve this long pending issue while assuring that the dam will not hamper the flow of water to Tamil Nadu. However, Stalin is not convinced over this. In fact, he remains unconvinced and he has urged Yediyurappa to scrap the project, asserting that it will impound the flow of Kaveri water to Tamil Nadu and will go against the interest of the Tamil farmers. Tamil Nadu government has also sought the centre's intervention to resolve this issue.
ಅವ್ರ ಪಾಲಿನ ನೀರೇನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ತಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಪಾಲಿನ ನೀರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ನೀರುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಮಾರ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲಿಂದಲೂ ಒಂದು ತಕರಾರು ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಹೊಸ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್, ಒಂದು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್. ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿಷಯನೂ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಲೀಗಲಿ ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಲೀಗಲಿ.
We are concerned about the Supreme Court order of the quantum of water to be released to Tamil Nadu. So there should not be even a drop of water less than what the Supreme Court had stated. And our irrigation minister is going to Delhi tomorrow to meet the irrigation central water resources minister. So we are taking all steps to ensure that Meghdadu Dam is not constructed and the quantum of water to be released to Tamil Nadu as per the Supreme Court order should be fulfilled in toto.
My colleagues Mugilan joining me from Chennai and Neha Hebbale joining me from Bengaluru. So coming to you first, Mugilan, it seems that the Tamil Nadu government remains unconvinced over this issue, over the construction of this dam, to the extent that they want a complete scrapping of the project. What are the main issues that Mr. Stalin has raised in objection to this project?
The Karnataka Chief Minister wrote a letter to the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister seeking his cooperation for the Meghdadu process. But in a letter written by the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin to Yediyurappa, he outrightly rejected any move to build Meghdadu Dam because he has stated that if a dam is built, the Tamil Nadu share will be get affected. And he also stated that the Karnataka's argument of building this major reservoir project to supply water to Bangalore is not acceptable because Bangalore has the need for drinking water is only 4 TMC, and whereas the Karnataka government is going to build a major reservoir which can hold up water up to 65 TMC of water. And he has also stated that this is not a balancing project and this will affect the areas which comes under irrigation. So the Tamil Nadu state government has outrightly rejected any move by the Karnataka government to build a reservoir here. And more importantly, this is not only with the Meghdadu project. Now, the Karnataka have already constructed a dam in Pennai 0.5 TMC reservoir, and this will affect the irrigation which will happen in the Krishnagiri district also. So on these two issues, now the Tamil Nadu Water Resources Minister have already landed in Delhi. He is expected to meet the Jal Shakti Union Minister today, is what we are hearing from our DMK, from our government sources. And Minister is expected to apprise the Union Minister about the problems what the Tamil Nadu will face because of these reservoir projects, and the Tamil Nadu will raise their condemnation. They will oppose any new reservoir projects in these two rivers, is what we are hearing from our government sources.
Okay, so clearly the position of Mr. M.K. Stalin and his government is clear. Neha, at this point, what are the options really? I mean, somewhere there has to be a middle ground. It seems that even when it comes to Mr. Basavaraj Bommai's statement, he believes that the Tamil Nadu government is, in a way, embarking on some political misadventure. And they feel that nothing is getting compromised in terms of Tamil Nadu's share of water. So where is the question of an objection? But somewhere this matter has to be resolved. What is the next course of action?
Well, that's absolutely right, Afrida. In fact, the Chief Minister over here of Karnataka, B.S. Yediyurappa, and even the Law Minister, Basavaraj Bommai, have maintained that, that they are going to fight this out legally in court. And, they've actually gone on to list out why this project, or why this, reservoir over here coming up in the state of Karnataka is necessary. Now, let's just, go back a little bit, Afrida. In 2018, in fact, when, of course, the Kaveri River water verdict was declared, from back then till now, this has, in fact, the new projects coming up over here on the river basin have always been a bone of contention between the two states. But now Karnataka, in fact, confirming its stand that it will stick to what, of course, the Supreme Court has to say about this, but that they are going to continue, to go ahead with this project after, of course, the environmental assessment is done. More importantly, Afrida, this project is, of course, going to help to actually supply drinking water to, of course, the whole of Bengaluru urban district that we're actually looking at, apart from which it's also likely to, generate about 400 megawatts of hydroelectricity as well. And this is something that hasn't come up now. This has been a project in the pipeline for nearly about 4 to 5 decades is what the Law Minister has also said. So having said that, of course, at this point in time, Karnataka too firm on its stance. The Chief Minister did call for bilateral talks with the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, but clearly, of course, at this point, Afrida, the two states continue to spar over this issue.
Yes, there would have to be a consensus at the highest levels before anything changes on ground. But right now, both the chief ministers have opposing views on this entire matter of the Madukeri Dam project. Thanks for joining us with the latest, Mogilan and Neha.